Hi there. Today I want to talk to you about why most training programs never get finished. Most cleaning company owners know they need a training system. They know it needs to be consistent. They know it needs to be easy to implement. They know it needs to be fast. And they know it needs to work. And they know if they don't get training right, they end up paying for it somewhere else. They pay for it in trainer payroll. They pay for it in redos. They pay for it in inconsistency. They pay for it in cleaner frustration. And worst of all, they pay for it in client loss. So why do so many owners never get that job done? Because they start with good intentions. They say, I'm going to build my own training system. And honestly, that makes complete sense. You want your own products, your own tools, your own procedures. You want things done the way you do them. Of course you do. The problem isn't the idea. The problem is what happens next. Now you have to create videos, write procedures, organize steps, decide what cleaners need to learn first, build quizzes, test it, revise it, change it again, and then train people on it, implement it. And before you know it, 6 months go by, a year goes by, 5 years goes by, 10 years goes by, 15, 20 years go by. And training is still living in somebody's head. I've been reading a lot of posts lately from owners discussing different platforms, venues, different ways to build training. Those systems still require you to create all the content. And believe me, I've been working with Claude and ChatGPT a lot, and they don't get it if you don't get it. But you still have to build the house. I'm simply asking owners to look at something different. What if the framework was already built? What if the process already existed? But you could still put in your own products, your own tools, your own actions, your own company personality, your own company culture. I'm not asking anyone to change their company. I'm just asking them to take a look. You don't have to start from a blank screen to build a great training system. Sometimes the smartest thing an owner can do is stop building everything alone. Maybe the goal isn't building training from the ground floor up. Maybe the goal is finally getting training implemented. I do hope you call me, email me, text me, go to the link below and get on my calendar and schedule a demo, because chaos is expensive and systems are scalable. I hope to chat with you soon, and until then, happy training.